Lido di Jesolo Beach is located northeast of Venice, Italy, and is known as a great vacation destination on the Adriatic coast. With long stretches of fine sand, clear blue seawater, and airy air, Lido di Jesolo attracts visitors from all over the world to relax and enjoy moments full of joy and peace. Lido di Jesolo is located in an ideal geographical location on the northeastern coast of Italy, precisely in the Veneto region, on the Adriatic coast. Located about 15 kilometers northeast of Venice, Lido di Jesolo is in the province of Venice and lies on a large peninsula between the Great Venetian Lake and the Adriatic Sea. Lido di Jesolo Beach is not only a wonderful holiday destination, but also an excellent example of the climatic environment and the positive interaction between humans and nature. With a warm Mediterranean climate, sunny summers, and mild winters, Lido di Jesolo attracts visitors year-round to enjoy the beach and outdoor activities. The hotness of girls on the beach lies not only in their seductive appearance, but also in the confidence and brilliant vitality they bring. With tanned skin and hair blowing in the ocean breeze, they radiate natural beauty and irresistible charm. Lido di Jesolo Beach is not only a popular tourist destination, but also has a profound influence on the country's economy and culture. Its attraction to tourists from all over the world generates a large amount of revenue for Italy's tourism industry, especially in the Veneto region. And subscribe to our Wandering channel today to discover new destinations, unique travel experiences, and interesting stories from around the world. With Wandering, you will be led through colorful and rich journeys, from big cities to peaceful countryside, from majestic mountains to beautiful beaches.